Welcome to Road Timber and Joinery. We're a family-run company with over 30 years' experience dedicated to craftsmanship and quality. We have built a solid reputation for our excellent craftsmanship in and around Brighton and Hove. From elegant staircases to durable doors, we believe that beauty lies in the detail, and our extensive range of products reflects this. We craft decorative and home utility products with precision and finesse. Our well-stocked showroom showcases many of our bespoke products, including staircases, windows, kitchens, and standalone furniture in a huge variety of finishes and styles. If you already have a style in mind or you need inspiration, our skilled joiners and woodworkers are happy to give you their expert advice. When you visit our showroom, you'll get a chance to see our joiners and woodworkers in action, crafting bespoke products in our workshop. We strive to perfect our skills through learning new methods and perfecting innovative techniques. We also provide a reliable, efficient and professional service. For this reason, many property owners in East Sussex seek the accomplished skills of our joiners and woodworkers. So, for furniture and finishing inspiration, or for a free consultation and quote, visit Road Timber and Joinery today.